The wait is finally over. It's here. I'm an artist and rocketeer, as you know. I've been drawing and painting and building model rockets for a very long time. Sometimes I'll sketch rockets and space scenes just for kicks. Eventually I amassed a nice collection of them. Then the idea hit me. Model Rockets 321 trading cards. This could be the new set. So here we are, a brand new set of all original drawings of the classic model rockets and some original reimagined ideas. This striking set of cards features a full image on the front with specs and or a story on the back for your enjoyment. These are a limited edition set of cards, so don't miss out on your chance to own them. Get your set today while supplies last, because once they're gone, they are gone. And lock in your order today. Model Rockets 321.